Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to add a passkey to Binance exchange. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so Binance now supports using passkeys to verify your identity for most accounts functions across different devices. So once you have added a passkey, you can use it for two-factor verification on all of your linked devices. It enables faster and more secure verification to protect your account than simply using passwords. So it's only available on Binance App 2.60 or with iOS 16 or above devices, on Android OS 19 or above devices. So you can add a passkey using your iCloud keychain or USB secure key. So just log in into your pass and let me just show you guys how to do it. So just open up Binance, and here you just have to click at the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen like this, and then you just have to click on security. Unfortunately, I'm not logged into my account, so let me just okay. So now just click on settings like this, and here just come to there should be security here. I think I've already set up my passkey, so I cannot really do it. So just go to security and click on setup passkey, and then you just have to download Google Authenticator like this, and this is and it will link to your Google Authenticator, and then you just can copy and paste your passkeys to your Binance, and you can use it for two-factor verification. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.